Yeah? Hi guys, I'm Lorna. This is Orion, and we have our... Can we come stand right here? Stand right here, and are you waving? Are you waving? Come stand right here. Come here, you. We have our first toddler box from Lovevery, the 13 and 14 month box. I know I've been showing you a video of his reactions after the fact, but I figure it's Christmas time. Let's just go ahead and open it. It'll be fun. So, here we go. Whoa. Yeah? Hold on, we'll get it. Let's see. This is called the Babbler. The Babbler. And here are all of our toys. Okay, first thing out, it's a little puzzle, I think. Let's see. Cool. Oh, yeah. Orion. Orion, look. Whoa. You got some rattle balls. Cool. Oh, they go with, okay. I'm going to try to do this so that you can see things. Okay. We've got our little book. Tells us everything that's in here. Not doing this very well, am I? Would you like to come be on camera by chance? This thing, it's got little doors and stuff. I'm sure it's supposed to help him explore. Here, put it through here. Orion. Whoa! Cool. Can you... Here, wait. Here, look. Here, come right here. Come right here. Look. Want to get the other one out too? Cool. Don't get your hands stuck. Remember, wait, look. Here. Look. Okay, or you can, I guess you can reach down that way too. I'm sure that the understanding of the doors is a part of the development stage. Although he's a pretty direct child. He's not really into doors. Look. Yeah? Cool. Just gonna put this right here. Okay, you ready to see what else is in here? Is this supposed to be, what is this? Oh, okay, so it's a little felt bag, and what goes with it? What goes with it? Oh, the cutest little stuffed bunnies you've ever seen. Look, they live in the burrow. That's right. Good job. Is there another one? One more bunny to go in the burrow? Oh, sorry. Well, I'm sure that that can also go in there, but the bunnies might like to, yeah. Cool. So, he just got a game like this from one of his aunties. Oh, there's other stuff in here too. Let me get the random things out, and then so it's a little carrot game. So you've got your little box. Hey, nice job. Nice job opening that. He's opening the little case down here. I don't know if you can see. So in go your little carrots, and you just pop them down, and then take the lid off and get them out. He has another one where the carrots are slightly different shapes, so you actually have to match the right hole that the carrots can actually fit into. But here we go. Hi. Hi. Ah, okay. So we've got the carrot lid, and then we've got this lid that has a little slot, and we have these little wooden coins. Cool. And then hello, child of mine. We have this other lid. I'm sure it says posting lid. You're supposed to get like Q-tips and put Q-tips or toothpicks in it. Probably not toothpicks. They probably don't want you to use toothpicks with your baby. Okay, bye. He's over it. And as usual, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna put the little carrot box back. Carrots, Q-tips, and wooden coins. Bedtime for Zoe. It's a book. Want to come look at it? Bedtime for Zoe. Bedtime for Zoe. First, she picks up her toys. We have been trying to do that more and more, picking up our toys. She gets ready for her bath. They're kind of like the ones that came in the last... Oh, thank you. He thinks that's really funny. Tell you what, he's going to have more fun with this cardboard box when we're done. Oh, that was complicated and stupid. Okay, hold on. I have to do them in color order. Let's see. We'll start with purple, then we'll do blue, green, yellow. Hold on, wait. Orange and red. Here, come stand right here. Whoa, it's wobbly, huh? Yeah, I'll have to see what this is all about. I'm assuming it's for, heck, I don't know. Bless you. You are so smart. Start with just 2 or 3 rings. If they're having a hard time, lean the flexible post towards them, pull the ring most of the way off, and let them place the ring back on. I see. This is to help guide them to get the ring back on. What? This is one of my favorite things right now, is that he just sometimes wants to just sit with me and drink his bottle, and he is moving all the time. So, like, I really like that he's kind of cuddly, because he really hasn't been. That was all it was. 3 seconds of him cuddling. Yep, no, you've got the right idea. Here, look. Here, I'll help you right here. I'll put it right here. And look, it opens. And there are your balls. Yeah. Yeah, sort of figuring out what he's supposed to be working on at what stage has been made much easier by Lovevery, for sure. Are you waving at yourself? Are you waving at yourself? He is 13 months, December 3rd. And he's a handful, and he never stops moving, and I love him to pieces. This was our 13 and 14 month box from Lovevery, and I'm very pleased with it, and I think he is too. He's especially going to enjoy this. He, they sent a puzzle like this in one of the early boxes, and he really, really enjoyed it, so I think he'll like this too. He'll like the book one day, and we'll keep working on this. This sort of thing requires a lot of attention on his part, and he is just like with his attention span sometimes. Like sometimes he will zone in on something, and other times he's like, "Wah, let's do something else." And okay, guys, thank you so much for joining us. If you want to try Lovevery, I highly recommend it. You can buy the boxes singly, or you can save some money and like buy them all at once. Not all of the boxes, but like you can do all of like the first year boxes, and then you can do the toddler boxes, and you save like maybe 10% or something. I don't quote me on that. You save some money. But this is our first toddler box. I'm excited to see what we get next. Be nice. We've sort of regressed with how we treat our kitty cats. I don't really know what to do about that. We just keep trying. This is Orion. I'm Lorna. That's Harlequin, if you can see her. And thank you so much for joining us. You know how to subscribe to the page. You can find him on Instagram with the animals, and that is in the video description. We will see you guys next time. Can you wave bye? What are you doing?
This is.
Uh-huh.